Guys, with Shiba Inu crashing and Dogecoin continuing to move up, I've got a lot of things to discuss with you in today's video, especially since we're about to get right into the altcoin season. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals because we've made a lot of money. I also go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrency, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, with Bitcoin dominance waning and having a bearish market form on the charts of Bitcoin, altcoin season is inevitable. With Bitcoin's dominance only being at 43% right now, it shows us that a lot more money is pouring into the altcoins. Guys, once this sets in fully, expect for some of your top favorite altcoins to 5 to 10x within a very short period of time. So you want to be ready for that, and you want to be positioned very well for that to come. I'm going to be letting you guys know when the perfect time is to start moving your money over from Bitcoin on over to the altcoins in my Patreon. And guys, I sure hope you got out of Shiba Inu several days ago because we're only heading down for Shiba right now. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, these runs generally last from 1 to 2 months for altcoin season and also for Bitcoin season. So once Bitcoin decides to take a long enough cool down corrections phase, which is completely normal and healthy for a bull run, we'll then likely see the altcoins pump for a good month to 2 months. So you want to be ready rather than getting in on the uptrend. Not to say you can't catch the dips at times on the uptrends, however, it's always best and easiest to buy at the dips before the bull run does begin. Before that mass adoption, guys, people got rich on crypto not because they got in on the uptrend when it was going up, because it's likely to be too late by then, but they got in before the masses, and that's how it works. Never have paper hands and sell for less than you bought in for. Guys, that's exactly what the whales want you to do, literally handing money on over to those millionaires and billionaires. Hold with diamond hand until you get your desired profits. Never buy the dip at more than 10% of your overall investment. That way, each and every time I call out the dip, you can dollar cost average and make money on average on each trade in the long run. Guys, some massive news. An article came out titled, Bitcoin will peak at 253K, Ethereum at 22K. This cycle if the 2016 halving bull run repeats. Guys, the market generally repeats itself over different halving cycles. A lot of the top crypto experts out there study this exact pattern and have noticed that it does repeat itself, and if it does repeat itself again, that's when we will see Ethereum at 22K and Bitcoin at 253K, possibly even this year. And the great news is we're not at our cycle top yet, but that's what I'm going to look out for so I can let you guys know when we do reach that. Guys, in these infancy stages of crypto, when the crypto prices are easily half or less than half of their actual worth, it could very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in. With all of this volatility, it's what allows us to buy at the dips when they're steep enough and then sell when we reach our peak. However, the more people that get in, the more institutions and investors that get in over time, we're going to have more stability and less volatility. So now is really the best time to get in. Also, inevitably, with more people getting in than ever, more firms, institutions, and whales, we are likely to have less bear markets than ever, which is very good news for crypto, making it more mainstream and more adopted by the masses. Guys, Shiba Inu is down 20% right now. With no level of support, yes, we will likely make a bounce when we get to the bottom. However, it's likely not to be much of any bounce at all because there's not much hype surrounded around Shiba Inu anymore. They don't think that Kraken is going to list it, since Kraken literally lied on their Twitter, saying when they got 2,000 likes on their tweet, they'd go ahead and list it. Well, guess what? They didn't. That caused it to crash massively, and sure enough, Robinhood wants nothing to do with Shiba Inu, and neither do the masses. So I don't believe there's any chance for recovery at this point. Guys, with Bitcoin trading sideways currently, we're now seeing some of the altcoins pump massively. Ethereum, I believe it's going to be at $5,000 here just within the next 3 to 5 days. Solana, I believe, will follow up with it, and eventually maybe even surpass it or get near Ethereum's price, depending on how successful Solana's team is. But that is the most similar coin to Ethereum right now, and that's why I'm buying Solana at every dip that I can find and letting you guys know that I'm doing so. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we do have a clear and consistent uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Sure, we came down after this massive peak, but we had to. With every healthy peak, we have to come down. With an ascending triangle having formed, that's very bullish as well. So we're likely to head up from here, especially since altcoin season is about to hit. However, we're seeing some very low numbers on the Dogecoin charts. Really, it's the best time to buy in. When I see that it's steep enough, I'm going to be letting you guys know. So you want to have some cash on the side to buy that dip when I call it out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.